2025 to develop a jet that thank you. My topic is Airbus. Airbus is the European Maritime Corporation. It's the world's second biggest aerospace. Number of employees are 1,36,671 in 2018. Flying mission. When AMAS set up his own cable part company, an invitation which allowed to be the part behind the driver's seat to be removed and replaced as when as required. What is it? The first to fly his own plane space vertically. The early planes, even though made by other makers, the earliest begin in vision country in France were made of lightweight usual bamboo and fiber. About aviation archaeology. Aviation archaeology is a recognized subdiscipline within archaeology and underwater archaeology as a whole. It is an activity practiced by both enthusiasts and academics in pursuit of finding, documenting, recovering, and preserving sites important in aviation history. For the most part, these sites are aircraft wrecks and crash sites, but also include structures and facilities related to aviation. It is known in some circles and depending on the perspective of those involved as aircraft archaeology or aerospace archaeology, and has also been described variously as crash hunting, underwater aircraft recovery, wreck chasing, or reconnaissance. For example, military crashes in Arizona